Good morning, room service department. This is Jerome speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order for my
Okay,
breakfast.
sir. May I have your name and room number, please?
This is Timothy Montefalco from room
Thank
163.
you for that information, Mr. Montefalco. Now, may I have your order?
I would like to order 1 cup of coffee and pancake, bacon, and egg.
Okay, sir. Noted. For bread, would you prefer crispy or soft?
I want it to be crispy.
Okay, sir. Would you like to try our red flannel hash? It is our best-selling breakfast meal and is our head chef's signature dish.
Okay, sure. Add it to my order.
Is there anything else you would like to add?
None. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, sir. I'll just repeat the order. You ordered for 1 cup of coffee, a pancake, bacon and egg, and red flannel hash. Did I get it all right, sir?
Absolutely.
And how can the bill be settled?
Charge it to my account.
Noted. Mr. Montefalco, your order will be delivered in room 163 in 25 minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you too, sir. Room service. Room service. Good morning, sir. I am Jerome, your room service attendant. May I come in? Yes, please come in. Where would you like me to put your breakfast, sir? You can put all of that in the table. Okay, sir. Sir, I'll just repeat all you ordered to make sure that all the items are here. So first, you ordered 1 cup of coffee, pancake, bacon and egg, and red flannel hash. Is there anything else I can help you with, sir? None. That's all, thank you. And thank you for this breakfast. You're welcome, sir. By the way, here is your charge for breakfast meal. Can I have your signature, please? Sure. Here. And last, I would like to inform you, sir, once you're done with your breakfast, you can put the tray outside so the room service attendant can pick it up for you. Thank you, sir, and enjoy your breakfast. Thank you.